Yeah, except remember, I have much bigger,
That's okay. That makes it easier for me to get my little feet in. Ah! Well, okay. It's not like I haven't climbed dunes before, too.
uh-huh. This was definitely my first time.
I did it up at Big Bear. You been up there?
No.
No, Sleeping Bear, not Big Bear. Sleeping Bear up in Michigan.
Either I broke the trail for you, or you're just far more fit than I am. You're having a much easier time.
Trail for me.
You're having a much easier time of it than I had.
Uh-huh. I'm huffing though.
Yay! How's the view?
It's great. Oh, I see the water. Yeah, that's not a mirage. She's right. They have had a lot of rain.
You gonna slide down?
In a minute. I'm going to take advantage of the effort that got me here. There are kids sledding over
Yeah.
a couple of dunes. Okay. Should I take your slide or make my own?
Hey, I packed it down for you.
All right. See if I can do this no hands and no feet on my butt.
Oh, come on down on your belly.
No way! Come on, I don't want to eat this stuff. You're right, it's cold and wet. Well,
Look at the steps you created.
that's my big butt.
Oh, wasn't that a rush?
Yeah. Ow. Ow.
What, your sciatica?
No, my butt's all wet. Oh, yucky. I'm going to climb up on that photovoltaic thing and fry it dry. Ooh.
Oh.
Does it look like most of it is gone?
It looks like the sand is gone, but it's still wet and dirty.
I know it's wet and dirty, but
Yeah,
the less sand I take back into the car, the less I have to vacuum
right.
out. Now. Ah,
That was great. Listen to this.
that's quite a trail I made.
Mm-hmm.
Or improved on. Oh, what a riot. Raj would be amazed that I made it up.
Well, we've got the video to prove it.
Oh, good.